Welcome to TDS Online Maths. Alright, now let's provide a solution to this question. Okay, so we have to solve for x and y. Alright, so let's name this one the first equation, and we have the second equation. Okay, now the trick here is that we have the first term squared here and the second term squared here. Okay, so let's square equation 1. Okay, let's square equation 1. So equation 1 squared means x plus y all squared, the same as this. Okay, so we have x squared, okay, plus y squared plus 2xy, and we have 13 squared as 169. Okay, but we know x squared plus y squared is equation 2 here. Okay, so I can plug in 7 for x squared plus y squared plus 2xy equals to 169. Okay, so let's make 2xy the subject here. So we have 169 minus 97. All right. So we have 2xy. So we have 72 here. Okay, so let's divide both sides by. So we have xy equals 72 on 2. Okay, so we have xy. So we have 36. Okay, 36. So let's name this one the third equation. Okay, now the idea is to solve for x and y. So we need x and y, but we can do substitution here from 1 again. From 1, x is the same as 13 minus y. So let's call this one the first equation. 4 and 3. So where you see x, you put 13 minus y. We have 13 minus y times y equals 36. So we have 13y minus y squared equals 36. So let's arrange this one. We have y squared minus 13, okay, plus 36 equal to 0. Okay, so let's solve this one together. Okay, so we have minus 13y plus that. Okay, so we have 9 and 4 as factors. 9y minus 4y plus 36 equal to 0. So we have y minus 9 here. We have minus 4 out. Y minus 9 equal to 0. Y minus 9. Y minus 4 equal to 0. So y minus 9 equal to 0. So we have y equals 9 and y equals 4. Okay, so when y equals to 4, x is 9. So we can say that when y equals 9, when I plug in 9 here, so I will get 4 for x. And when y equals to 4, if I put 4 here, so my x will be 9. Alright, so that's the solution to this problem.